So today we are going to be making porcupines out of Play-Doh. So the actual project that I found made them out of clay, which you could definitely do. So I'm going to link a salt clay recipe down below in the description so that if you want to actually save your porcupines, you can make them out of clay and let them harden, and then you'd actually have them. But we used Play-Doh, and then we just took them apart right away. So we used these mini popsicle sticks. We broke them in half to make them a little bit shorter for the legs, and then we used toothpicks to just stick all over the top of the Play-Doh to make the porcupine quills. And the kids absolutely enjoyed this project. They thought it was so much fun. So there I have Zach. I told Zach to give Alan's porcupine a little poke, but she didn't really like that. So then we got out colored googly eyes, and they picked out the colors they wanted and put the eyes in, and I think they just turned out super, super cute. So let me know what you guys think about this project down in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys!